Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a fancy poncha design. For that, here I have a poncha fabric. On the fabric, here I'm going to mark like 2.5 inch lengthwise. On the other side I'm going to mark at 2.5 inch as well. Join these mark and draw a line. About ½ inch apart, draw another line. From the second line, mark at 2.5 inch on both sides and draw another line. Repeat this method 2 to 3 times. After marking, here I'm going to do 2 pleats on the first 2 lines. Then I'm going to attach a gota ribbon. After attaching gota ribbon to another 2 pleats, now I'm going to hem the poncha using another piece of fabric. The width of this fabric is about 4 inch. After hemming, I'm going to use another piece of gota ribbon that I'm going to attach on the hemming, making a zigzag. If you are new to sewing, you can mark for the zigzag and then you can attach the gota ribbon. Do the side seam. Here I'm going to attach little golden beads between the zigzag pattern. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and give it a big thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.